What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Geo Journeys. And this is the night before I take off on my trip. Originally I was scheduled to leave today, but work got a little busy. So I decided to work one more day and leave tomorrow. Which actually it ended up working really good because there's a big storm front all the way west of me that I would have to deal with. Whereas tomorrow it'll all be gone. I won't be having to deal with any rain at all. And so I wanted to make a little video of my packing. This is the 2018 Goldwing, as you guys know. And let's start off with my bag. This is the Kuryakyn VAGABOND. I love this bag. I've used it twice. It fits 46 liters worth of clothing. It's got these side pockets that are easy to get to. Keep stuff in there so at gas stops I'm able to reach in there and grab whatever I need. The side, same thing, pockets. Got this little rubber strap here. And then my favorite is this top compartment. It just opens up. Take my helmet off, grab my hat, cover up that helmet head. So I've got a bunch of clothes in there. I'll make a list of everything I have so that way I don't have to go through it again. But I like to pack all my clothes there. I do have the Corbin backrest, and it looks like the bag is so full it is bringing me forward a little bit. But I tend to sit back, relaxed a little bit more than normal. So that might not be okay. It'll definitely be okay on the short jaunts, but in the long haul, I might have to remove it. I'm going to put 800 miles in, which is the goal. I'm going to put about 800 miles in the first day, which would leave me about 300 miles the second day to meet up with the other guys. So the back. This is what I have in the back. I've got a bag. I've got all my laptops and GoPro stuff in this big bag here. And in the corner is the air compressor. The toolkit is on the side there. And as you can see, there's still plenty of storage. And I also have, let's see if I can open this up. There's camera, a bunch of cables for the laptop and all the GoPro accessories. Down here on the left side, got my little jumper, my Micro Start Sport, little jumper cables and a little charger. And this is all my rain gear in this bag. And I've got a lock, cable lock in here. Sometimes if I'm not feeling right about where I'm staying, I'll lock it up. The other side, we've got another tank bag or saddlebag bag. It's got a flashlight. It's got all my gloves, 3 pairs of gloves, some wipes, some towels, and the Windex for the windshield, and a couple of the obligatory coronavirus masks that don't do anything except make people look silly. But we don't have to get into that. But basically that's it. Everything is strapped into place. The bag is strapped to this little rack here, the Honda rack. And got the GoPro mounted on the handlebar. And then the secondary mount is underneath the mirror. And there are 2 mounts on my helmet to get different views. I got this little koozie that'll cover it up when I'm not using it, and that will keep the rocks from banging it. And my radar detector, and my phone will go there. And we should be ready to go. I also take one of these cargo nets, so if I take my jacket off, I can strap down my jacket. Or if I take my helmet off, I can stick my helmet back there and cover it up, and it'll stay in place. I do ride without a helmet sometimes. And then we've got the backrest. I do have the Corbin backrest, and normally I like to sit back quite a bit, but the bag is pushing it forward some, so I'm not sure how that's going to be. But for short jaunts, sitting upright like that's not a big deal, but I don't know how the longer stints are going to be. The first day tomorrow, I'm going to try to put in 800 miles, which would leave me about 300 miles to Cheyenne for Saturday to meet up with the other guys. The other guys left yesterday, and one from California, the other guy from Oregon, and they hooked up, and they're on their way to Cheyenne today, finishing up tomorrow. So that's basically where we are, with my baby all loaded and ready to go. And it's gonna be a long night. I've been waking up at 4 o'clock every morning, excited about the trip. I go to bed thinking about the trip. I wake up thinking about the trip. So that'll be interesting. See how much sleep I can get and wake up early and get a full day of riding in. So that should be it for the video today. I will do some day riding videos and try to post something up each day. Hopefully the hotel Wi-Fi will be good enough to do that. I'm also keeping a travel log. My son gave me a notebook with a bunch of state stickers. Then I'll keep a little journal of every day and things I see that are cool, or things I experience, the dangers, the beautiful sights, all those things. But that'll be it for tonight. Thank you for joining me, guys, and take it away, Cass.